Alright, we're going to take a ride here in a pretty awesome Corvette Coupe. This one's a rare one. It's a 327, 365 horsepower, matching number, solid lifter with air. They make 227 cars with air conditioning with solid lifter motor. So, pretty neat. It's also got side pipes, that's why you can barely hear me. It's got the knockoff wheels. They're not originals, but they're early. They're called a Western Wheel. They were put on in the 80s. It was a company that made them. But they look original. Original ones now are about 10 grand, I think. But all the gauges work. Car was nicely restored. The factory clock even works. It's got an AM, FM radio, power antenna. I love those side pipes, man. They sound great. But you gotta idle it if you want to talk to whoever's in the car with you. Finished in Nassau Blue. It's got the leather interior package, black. And, you know, it's got the wood style wheel there. Just a nice car. The paint's very nice. It's an older paint job, but very few little minor blemishes in it. Undercarriage looks great too. Lots of fun to drive. The solid lifter cars are really made for high RPMs. This has a 6,500 RPM red line. I've never taken it that high, but it'll do it. It's got Muncie 4-speed. Pretty cool, man. Oh, it shifts nice too. All the synchros feel good, clutch feels good. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got power steering, which is nice. Some of them didn't have power steering. A nice day to cruise the Classic Corvette. All right, we're gonna go up here and take some more pictures for you. All right, we're gonna do a little walk around here in this beautiful 1965 Corvette Stingray Coupe. It's finished in Nassau Blue with black leather interior. It's got the, they're aftermarket, but they're real knockoff wheels. Western wheel, early 80s. It's got factory side pipes. Air conditioned. This is a 365 horsepower 327 solid lifter version with air. Like 227 cars made. Pretty rare, you know, even with side pipes and the other options it has. AM, FM radio, power antenna. Pretty cool. Got the BF Goodrich TA radials on there. The paint is beautiful. All the trim is beautiful. Came out of a private collection. All the gaps are good. Just a beautiful car. And it's got the HM code on the front of the motor and the VIN number, so it's believed to be the original motor. I'll show you the interior. All the glass is in good condition. You know, the dash. Really beautiful. Even the clock works. Factory 4-speed, Muncie 4-speed. All the gauges work. Carpet's in good shape. Pretty cool. It's a stunning collector car that you could drive and enjoy. And man, it'll hear you coming up the road, that's for sure. All right, here's the power plant. Nice, healthy little 327, 365 horsepower. It's got the Winters aluminum intake on there, the original carburetor. I think the only upgrade this thing has, it has not HEI, it has MSD ignition. So it's kind of nice, gives it a hotter spark. But it's got power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, and that cold air conditioning, which is nice. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Yeah, listen to that thing. These are great, spry little motors. 327 with that solid lifter cam just makes this thing scoot. You can take the RPMs right up there. Nothing like a 327. Nicely detailed little motor, all stock. Yeah! Nah, they sound cool, man. Just like a Cobra without burning your legs. Got that little shield on there. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to visit us at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to help you, go over the car with you. And we can get you a shipping quote, some financing options, trade-ins, you name it. Thanks for watching.